What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you mind-blowing news that can show how big the problem of illegal activity on the US stock market and basically on the entire stock market is. And this news will show you how deep we are in this problem, and basically it is extremely important to start to solve this problem right now, because the more we are in this problem, the worse it will be for the entire world economy. So, and let's start with this news. It was published on frankes.com, but the original news was published on Wall Street Journal, and it was published just a couple of days ago, and it says, SEC scraps vote for hedge fund transparency rule. And let me quote you this. The Securities and Exchange Commission scrapped plans to vote Wednesday on a rule that would have increased regulators' visibility into financial risks at some hedge funds and private equity funds. After scheduling the vote last week, the five-member commission decided to take a little more time on the rule, an SEC spokeswoman said. She declined to comment on whether the cancellation owed to a lack of majority support from the Commission, which is composed of 3 Democrats and 2 Republicans. Several SEC commissioners could not immediately be reached for comment. The rule, proposed early last year over Republican opposition, would have increased reporting requirements for filers of a confidential document called Form PF. Among other proposed changes, it would have required large hedge funds to file reports within 1 business day of incidents such as extraordinary investment losses, defaults by major counterparties, or spikes in margin requirements. The rule sparked pushback from lobbyists from the hedge fund and private equity industries in Washington. And this news is really mind-blowing. It proves that SEC might cover some illegal activity on the market, and they want to hide some information. And definitely this news might be a real bombshell for the market, because it is not the problem of MMTLP shareholders. It is the problem of entire US stock market, and it is the problem of the stock market in general. And it is not the only news that we can find recently on social medias. Let me show you this one. It is on Bloomberg.com, and unfortunately I don't have a paid account on right here. And it says, JP Morgan traders should get prison for spoofing, US says. And the key bullets are following. Michael Novak, Greg Smith convinced at Chicago trial in 2022. Prosecutors said defendants spoofed gold markets for years. And let me show you some details. It is the same article, and it says, the former head of JP Morgan Chase & Co. precious metal business and his top gold trader should get multi-year prison terms after they were convinced of spoofing the market for years, the US government said in a court filing. Michael Novak, who ran the precious market desk, should get 5 years, and Greg Smith, the top trader, should get 6 years, prosecutors said Tuesday in a sentencing memo to the federal judge in Chicago, who presided over their trial. The recommendation was for longer terms than traders at other banks convinced of spoofing. So, and this is only one small part of the illegal activity from major players on this field, and definitely this proves that it is extremely difficult to fight against these major funds, to fight for us as a retail community, and basically to be on this market. And guys, I have to say that these news are really important, and I continue to do the video every other day. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, drop me a line in the comment section, and share this video with your friends and family. And this will give us more attention from the broader audience, and this will give us more power to fight against this illegal activity. So let's continue with other news. On Roger James Hamilton Twitter account we can find this tweet that also proves that illegal activity is everywhere. And he wrote, on the same day UBS buys Credit Suisse on cents to the dollar, when media reports Credit Suisse has been attacked by naked shorts, UBS is fined 2.12 billion won by South Korea for naked shorts. This is a whole different level. Who is going to check if UBS naked shorted Credit Suisse before buying it? And here's the screenshot from the Korea Times, and this article was published on March 21st, 2023. And it says, according to industry sources, the Securities and Futures Commission SFC, a decision-making body under the top financial regulator, the Financial Services Commission FSC, decided last Wednesday to impose fines of 2.18 billion won for UBS and 3.87 billion won for ESK due to illegal short selling practices. UBS AG was caught by the financial authorities for naked short selling. The company placed orders in 2021 to sell 7.3 billion won worth of shares of a local company without even holding the shares. Ordinary traders must borrow stock before they can sell it short. ESK Asset Management was also fined over the naked short selling of 25.1 billion won worth of orders for a local company. And the scale of this problem is mind-blowing. It is basically everywhere. This illegal shorting activity and these illegal hedge funds are working all around us in the stock market. Let me show you further. Right here on Rosa Tawil's Twitter account you can find the retweet that she made on March 22nd, and she retweeted Dave Lower tweet, and he wrote, fines have just become a cost of doing business. FINRA should be revoked brokers' license to operate, and the SEC should stop issuing waivers with enforcement actions. Regulators need to actually deter this behavior with serious consequences, no fines that shareholders pay. And here's another tweet from the Cobesso letter, and it says Credit Suisse fines by year. And as you can see, there are multiple years that Credit Suisse was fined, and for example in 2022 it was fined by $700 million, 2021 $280 million, 2018 $90 million, 2017 $5.4 billion. Mind-blowing numbers. And basically it is another evidence that illegal activity is everywhere around us. So let me show you how we can fight against this activity. And we are on John Burda's official Twitter account, and he reposted tweets from Richard Hoffman that he wrote 6 hours ago. And let me remind you that he is one of the three persons who already filed lawsuits against authorities and against broker-dealers. And he wrote, MMTLP just had a very meaningful interaction with Conseil of Fidelity. Despite the FINRA FAQ dynamite, he basically reasserted that Fidelity was angelic. I responded, quote, nonsense, thank you. So, shout out to Richard Hoffman, because he is a very brave man and he can tell the truth no matter what. Let me quote you further, MMTLP, and yes, I will be citing the seemingly criminal admissions that are contained in the FAQ in the 4 oppositions I will be filing within a week. So definitely we will see more evidence and more facts that are appearing right now on the public media, and we can see these filings in these lawsuits. And definitely we have to wait for the judges' answers, and we have to fight together in order to win this battle. And I have to say that it is extremely important to win it, because in my opinion we are at the edge of cliff where the entire stock market and the entire world economy might file a bankruptcy because of this illegal activity. And I have to say that I will continue to do my best if you support my channel by clicking the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing this video with your friends and family. And I think that's all information that I want to provide you. So, see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay